Hey guys, Shauna here. I'm going to do kind of an extended view over this software tool that I want to introduce you guys to. And there's a couple reasons that I want to show you the software builder. And the first is it can create some really, really incredible real estate sales funnels for you guys. And I want to give you some examples of those. So I'm going to kind of walk you through some of the funnels that you can get almost like pre-built, ready to go using the software, and they really just require a little bit of tweaking. Now there's a few other features that you can really use to leverage your real estate marketing using this tool, and I'm going to go over those a little bit as well. I'm not going to go too in depth with it, but I really want to kind of get your guys' wheels turning on some things that you can do to really up your real estate game. So this is one example, and it even has audio built into it for people who want to listen to it. So it's a free valuation funnel, and it lets somebody get a free CMA from you. It's got a video already pre-embedded into it that's really well done. And then all you have to do is plug in your testimonials. But when you click on this, and this is something you can definitely run an ad to or something like that. And this is really, really newbie friendly. It's not super complicated. So, I mean, it really does kind of help you get the tools you need at your disposal to be able to use them and be able to promote your business. This is another example of a pre-built sales funnel that you can get with the software. And it, has all of these little cool tools on here. It's very mobile friendly. You've got a lot of your copywriting already done for you. And all you have to do is customize your contact form and your office location. But other than that, it's pretty much ready to go. And then you can also put in your social share buttons. So, I mean, there's a lot of different opportunity here with this technology. And then this is actually the third in the funnel example. So it just gets them started. It does lead capture for you. And it's even got a built-in CRM for email follow-up. So, I mean, it's really, really, really user-friendly. Now, this example is perfect if you do any type of YouTube video marketing, something that you want to make buyers aware of. So if you want to talk about different loan programs, if you want to talk about home incentives, if you want to talk about selling incentives, you have all of these options here as well. So, if you click on Know More, it allows them to go to a different part of this page. You can put gallery pictures in here, feature yourself as the agent, put your stuff in here. If you have more than one agent or you're working with a team, it's a great way for you to put that in there. Plug in your customer testimonials, and you are literally done and ready to go. And then just link up whatever YouTube video you want to help educate people. That's another great promotional tool that this gives you. Now, a lot of y'all have an app that you can actually promote for your brokerage or for your services. There's even a way for you to create apps within the software that I'm going to show you in just a second. But with this, if you wanted a promotional tool for your real estate business app, guess what? You've got a sales funnel for that as well. So you have all of the information about the app. You just have to plug in what it can do. And this is a great way for you to get people to download your app, and that way you can help stay top of mind with your real estate app and with your real estate presence. Here's one more really good example that you get in really just this pre-built format. You've got a headline that you can change up, and then request for the best deals in town. So that way you can say you have exclusive access to the best deals in town. If you blog like I usually recommend that you do, you can put the different companies that you blog with here, or you can put a little fun fact about your brokerage, and then different things about getting property advice from different agents within this company. So there's a lot to this, but it's really, really, really powerful, very robust. If you have some listings or some specific homes that you'd like to promote as part of a Facebook ad campaign, it's something that we highly, highly, highly recommend. There's a funnel for that as well. So what you can do is just change up the pictures to match up the listings or open houses that you want to promote. And then people can go in, get more information about that, find out when the open house is, open house dates, all of those things. And kind of something I want to put a bug in your ear about is if you're an agent, if you're one agent and you're struggling to get leads, there's always a possibility of teaming up with either a real estate team or another listing agent or somebody else to where you guys can kind of split the cost of your Facebook marketing campaigns You know, even the software, and this software is not expensive, guys. It's less than 40 bucks a month. So, I mean, it's so, so worth it. But that's not the end of what I want to show you with the software. So remember how I said you have the capability of creating an app direct in this? You do. And this is something that you don't really need any programming knowledge for, so it's super duper cool. So let's say you wanted to create a new application. We're just going to call it real estate. And you can literally put this on Android and iPhone sites. So you can pick whatever template is appropriate for you. They have an entire category for real estate. And literally, you can hook this up with all of the different services that you offer in literally just a few minutes. So, I mean, it's really, really powerful. It's very cool. You know, you can change up the image. You can change the landscape, the font. People can get new rentals, push notifications. I mean, literally anything that you can possibly think of to give you some leverage, because how many agents actually have their own app? Very few. Wouldn't it be beneficial if you did? Because then you are the preferred agent and you look very tech savvy. This is also where you can push out home improvement tips. It's also where you can push out new blogs that you've published on your application. So there's really no end to all of the cool things that you can do with this, and do it semi-easily. And of course, if you ever purchase the software and you get stuck, you can always contact us. We can help you build these things as part of the services that we offer. Now, this is one other thing that I really wanted to show you guys that I think is super important, and it really will also help you get a competitive edge. When I talk about finding your niche, let's say you wanted to find doctors or lawyers in your city and send them a cold email. Well, you can do that using the autoresponder that's already built in to this program. And you can even go in here and get a lead capture tool. And I'm going to show you how quick and easy and powerful this is if you're trying to build a list or build a specific niche. Okay? So all you're going to do is, let's say you wanted to target attorneys. And let's say you wanted to target attorneys in Dallas. Let's get a little more specific. Divorce attorneys. There you go. You have a list of over 100 people that you can contact, and you can do voice drops to. You can do a whole bunch of different things with this. You can start making calls. You can start building relationships. You can connect with these people using social media and send them a message to their Facebook page. You have literally all of the information you need right here. You've got their website. You've got a link to their Facebook page. You have, some emails as well that you can get in touch with the right people. So it's really a very, very great way for you to start building some leverage in your business and build some of the daily disciplines that you need to do in order to really, really up your real estate game. So I hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, if you would be so kind to give it a like, a love, if you did enjoy this, I'll also post the link to this software if you're interested in learning more about it so that you can find out a little bit more. But literally, it's a very, very powerful piece of software. It comes at a lot less expense than some other software out there on the market that you guys are being pitched all the time. So I wanted to make you aware of this because I think it's a really, really, really good tool, and I think it's something that just about anybody can use. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your Tuesday, and we'll be talking to you later.